What's the deal live out here in Winter in Texas? We're checking out a 62-unit property today in Irving, Texas. It is built in 1979. We just went and looked at the interiors. The overall structure of the deal looks pretty solid. Had individual washer and dryer connections in most of the units, and a lot of the kitchen appliances and countertops were upgraded.
They're whispering sort of mid 7 to 8 on this one, on this deal. It's about 61, 62 units. And we're sort of here in North Irving, which is a good little pocket just west of George Bush. So pretty good access to freeways. And the more unique thing about this deal is just that it's sort of set in a single family residential area. So it doesn't have a lot of multifamily competition. I think there's maybe one property that's close by. James, how's the financing look on this one?
Yeah, this one sizes to about 50-55% leverage on Fannie and Freddie, Freddie SBL. Freddie SBL did lower their rates, so you would have to lock in an application by the end of the month in order to get that 40 bips lower. But yeah, the rents are a little bit below market, so you come in here with an agency loan, bump the rents up a little bit, or you can come in with a bank loan since it sizes a little bit higher leverage on a bank loan, but again, that interest rate is going to be quite a bit higher because prime rate is 7.75%. So a bank loan would be 8%, maybe 9%, depending on the next hike. So that's going to be a little bit more leverage, but a little bit more expensive. So I think agency is probably the best route to go on this deal.
Yeah, if you have the down payment and you can put 45% down on a smaller deal like this, you can come in, do non-recourse agency, fixed rate, probably 5.5% right now. Yeah, on the recourse bank side, you're gonna get a little bit more leverage as long as you have a good sort of global cash flow position. So secondary source of income, you can maybe get 70-75% on this deal, and then at that point you could refinance the deal once it's stabilized to Fannie Freddie from there. But yeah, this property close to the DFW airport right here. So a lot of tenants work, I think probably near the airport or just sort of around the Las Colinas, Irving area.